to friend, face to face. That's the only way that we'll get better.
You may wonder, why do I look so shocked? Well, let's rewind back to the beginning of the day. Well, today I'm going to report a special event going on near the Westlake. And that's me. I'm Barry Jin, and I'm very happy to wake up at 7 for work. Thanks, boss. First up, I get to meet and greet all the little performers.
Hi guys! Hi!
Choirs from the US and Hangzhou are gathered here today to give a little surprise collab for the locals.
We are together, we're friends forever. Nothing can break the bond of you and me.
Second stop, we're going on a little tour on a boat. Chinese and American children sat together, exchanging gifts and listening to the story of Westlake. They not only became friends on the ship, but also engaged in a cultural exchange between Hangzhou and Utah.
Hi Hangzhou Feel! So, my name is Barry Jin, and can I ask your names please?
I'm Autumn.
Autumn?
I'm Rachel.
So is this like your first time being here in Hangzhou?
It's my first time.
This is my second. I came the first year that One Voice did a tour in China.
Oh really? Is there like any difference like between like this time and the last time?
I do feel like we've done a lot more, even though we're only here for like a day this time.
You guys only here for a day. How do you feel about like the Westlake?
I love
It's
it.
beautiful.
It's so pretty.
I've been looking forward. I've been like researching before coming here, and
really?
I was like, we went to Quinshan Lake, and I was like, isn't there like another one called Westlake? Like, hint, hint, are we going there? And they're like, yeah, we're coming. And I've been so excited.
It's pretty cold in China right now. Is
Yeah.
this like cold and like winter for like Utah, or is like it's okay?
Yeah, usually we have a lot of snow,
Oh really?
but this year we haven't got as much as we usually do.
If you can say something to like our audiences, in Mandarin, like give it a shot in Mandarin. Like what would you say?
我爱杭州。
Oh wow, that's amazing！这是你第一次来西湖边演出是吗？然后这也是你第一次见到就是这么多的外国的哥哥姐姐们，对不对？你这次见到他们，你觉得是什么样的感受呀？
非常的开心。
跟他们交换礼物的时候，你给他们送了什么礼物呀？
给他们送了一个马的那个香囊。
On the boat, the performance ended, but the concert didn't. It just became smaller, messier, and more real. This is the Hangzhou postcard you don't get to buy. It's the one you can only see by yourself. Today, at a place I'm so familiar with, I felt something different. I was an audience to a miracle. A tiny, musical miracle. Hangzhou will always be my hometown, but today, thanks to a choir from across the ocean, it feels a little more like everyone's home.